300 reps to surviving slash neutralizing the threat in a bare knuckle altercation by using boxing tactics. Hello, Earthlings. Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here. I want to get right into it. So to get into that box stance, just like you see me here, it's going to be left foot in the front if you're conventional. It's going to be right foot in the front if you're southpaw, and it's going to be a left foot in the back if you're southpaw, and the right foot in the back if you're conventional like me and most other people. From there, your feet are going to be shoulder width apart. Front foot about a 45-degree angle, back foot about a 90-degree angle. Stay nice and light on your toes, bend your knees slightly. Keep your hips underneath you, back straight, tuck your chin, crunch your torso. Make sure your body's in a 45-degree angle. This is 180, 90, so you want your body right up in the middle of it. Bring your arms up, not too tight, nice and loose on the rib cage. Bring everything forward. Get comfortable with the rocking. All right, the first line of defense, especially in the street, which is very essential and important, which is your feet, your footwork. So we're just gonna get comfortable going side to side. All right, I'm gonna count to 25, going to the left and to the right, okay? So let's start moving. One, make sure to not cross your legs, and to move to the right, you're gonna push up that back foot while taking a step with your left, move to the right. You're gonna push up that front foot while taking a step to the right, and I'm into the left the other way. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, not cross your legs. 4, 5, keep those hands up nice and high, because most people in a street fight are headhunters. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, now going forward and back, forward and back. All right, same concept, except you're just going forward and back. Try to maintain that posture, keep that stance, tuck your chin. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Footwork is very important. 8, first line of defense. Always remember that. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. Now we're going to speed it up going side to side, because you may have to use your quick twitch muscle fibers to get out of that situation very fast so they don't tag you. And of course, keeping those hands up. So going side to side, same like you're doing before, but sped up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, now going forward and back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep those hands up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Tuck that chin. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, back to the front. Now going into defense. We're not going to be doing no slipping, no fancy stuff when it comes to the street, because anything can go at any given moment. All right, so what you may have to react first, because it's gonna be very quick and you're not gonna be able to be explosive in the legs, so you may just have to block. All right, so you're gonna chicken wing your arm as like you're trying to kiss the inside of your elbow and grab the side of your head, left and right. All right, we're gonna do 25 of those. Going in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. You're gonna roll with it slightly to take the steam off the punch. You're acting as if a punch is actually coming to you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, now to the body, you're just gonna simply dip. So if they punch with that bare knuckle, it's gonna catch their your elbow, and it's gonna do a lot of damage to their fist. So if they punch that elbow, it's gonna hurt them a lot. So that's why you just wanna dip. No need to wince with it, because again, you're gonna leave your head exposed. All right, so 25, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And one of the most important things that can set you up for a power punch when it comes to the street is the rolling, okay? So I'm gonna roll left to right, either in a V or a U shape, whichever one is more comfortable with you. So I'm stepping to the left, rolling in a U, going to the left and then stepping to the right, rolling into you again, and right back to that stance. We're gonna start this, we're gonna do 50 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 200 reps down, 100 more to go, and the last one, going to be focusing on punches. And again, you want to keep that guard up, right? So if you really want to split the guard, we're going to start off with that vertical jab, okay? So it's going to be vertical jab for 10 reps. And when you do it, you just simply throwing it right from the guard, your arm straight, bottom 3 knuckles, making contact with your opponent. And you're going to go right back to defense, stepping out the way back, stepping to the right or to the left. You're always going to be on your feet, but bare knuckle is going to do a lot more damage than you think, especially in the street. So it should be just like that here. And we're going to start in 3, 10 reps. 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, oops, my bad, I'm at. All right, now we're gonna do the normal jab to the face. But before we do it, we're gonna do a little feint to make them drop their guard. So you're gonna throw your punch a quarter of the way out and then throw it. So it's like this here. All right, that's how you throw them completely off. We wanna do 10 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Remember, keeping that guard up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now the next 10 we're gonna do is to the body. In the street, you'd be surprised. You don't necessarily need to use power punches like that. The jab would do so much more damage than you think. Because bare knuckle is gonna cut their face up. You hit them in the eye, blind them, hit them in the nose. That's gonna blind them as well, possibly break their nose from a jab. Hit them in the mouth, bust their lip. And if people are not used to getting punched in the face, you're probably going to want to quit right then and there. But we're gonna do the jab to the body, very effective. Stabbing that jab into the solar plexus to take the air out of them mid-breath. Okay, so it looks like this here. So I'm stepping, boom. All right, and I'm having my head to the right, so I'm completely out the way and back up. So all together in real time, I'm gonna do 10 of those in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3. And don't just stay right there to get hit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's 30 punches down, 70 more to go. Now we're gonna incorporate the jab cross together. We're gonna do 10, that's gonna count at 20 reps and get us to that 50 mark. All right, so just jab cross together. You can do all different types of variations, whether it be jab cross to the head, jab to the head, cross to the body, jab to the body, cross to the head. Whichever one you feel comfortable with, you're gonna do it 10 times. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, always move around. Try not to get hit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that's 20, 50 more punches to go. All right, now, the next 25 is going to be hooks. Very effective, especially when you need to use it when it counts the most. So, we're going to go back into that rolling like we did before. So we're gonna roll to the left, left hook body, left hook head, okay? We're gonna do 10 of those. And 3, and then we're gonna go to the right side. 2, 1, people never expect double up punches. Let's go. 1, 2, all right? 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure when you hook, keeping that arm up in a 90-degree angle, thumb facing upward, rotating your hips, retracting that rear shoulder back to maximize that power. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we're gonna switch to the right side. Same vice versa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 20 down, 20 more to go. Get into the uppercuts. But the uppercuts, we're not gonna do double. We're just gonna do one at a time. Starting off with that lead uppercut, all right? So we're basically gonna dip and come up with that left uppercut. That's gonna count as 2 reps, all right? So I'm gonna count as 2, do it 5 times, 10, and then we're gonna do it with the right side. And this is to mimic, if they throw a haymaker, you dip underneath, bam, come up with that left uppercut, and you see my body is torquing up into the punch and then off in a 90-degree angle. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, now right side. Again, don't drop it more than a head length down. Coming up in and off a 90-degree angle. Not too far up like this. Still grounded in your body for that power. All right, let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 for good money, 300 reps down. Just completed a workout. You should be proud of yourself. Try to use these tactics in the ring, shadow boxing if you can, on a heavy bag, or just shadow boxing. And imagine that that threat is actually coming towards you. And utilize what it is that you're doing to get around them to nullify the threat right then and there so you can get back home. Hopefully you found this workout useful. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. And always work towards becoming your greatest version.